my love, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I wasn't planning on recording today, but I went shopping to Dollar Tree for Christmas decorations and I decided to might as well and do a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started with a few items that I picked up. And by the way, I'm here at work, so I picked up a few decorations for work, so I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get started. Hey my love, so this is the first item. I picked two of them just because my business store has two big windows next to it. I will show a little clip of how I use them, but I decided to pick two of them for the entrance. They're gonna look amazing, so I hope you guys like that. But yes, I got two of them. They did have different colors, so if you really like them, you need to go and pick them up right now. Next little item, I thought it was perfect for my waiting area, and it's this beautiful little Christmas tree. How adorable are they? They did have in the color red. It was like a dark red. If you're gonna decorate red, I recommend you getting them. They're beautiful. I think they're gonna look amazing. I did pick 3 of them because that's all they had, but I can't wait to decorate with them. Next item, of course, I had to get the little Christmas tree the Dollar Tree carries. They do have a bigger one that is like 4 feet tall, and it was like for $5. So if you wanted a little bigger than this one, they do have that option as well. I did pick up 2 of them. Still can't decide if I will place them on my waiting area or on the windows, but I will show a clip or where I decided to place them. And for decor, I decided to go with red because I need a pop of color at my shop. Also, if you guys didn't know, I did open a barber shop, so all this decoration is from my barber shop. And anyways, I decided to add red because I needed a pop of color, especially for the holidays, and I love red, so I had to pick this up. They did have different colors, so you need to check them out, but I decided to go for this color team. So it's gonna be red, black, white, and gold. So I did get 2 of the little skirts for the trees. And then for the garland, I did get gold. They did have red and different colors. They do have different options for you guys, so I got 2 of them just in case I run out. And then for the little ornaments, I got gold and red, of course. They did have different options, like if you want it all glittery, you can get them like this, you can get them shiny, or you can get them matte, but I decided to go for this one that carries the 3 different kinds. And I did the same thing for the gold one, so I did pick up 2 of them just in case I needed more. But how beautiful are they? And they do come with 16 pieces each. Hey my love, and this is a new item. I never seen a Dollar Tree for the little trees, but how beautiful are they? They do come in 4. So I got the little boots, and they also had this ones right here. They also had the Christmas tree. I had to get, I think it's gonna look perfect with the little Christmas tree skirt. They did have a different one, but they were white and black. So if you're decorating white and black, you need to go and pick this up. They did have it in white and black little squares. And then, are you guys ready to see the tree topper? You guys are gonna die. They are so beautiful, and it goes perfect with the decorations that I got. But look how beautiful this is. It's just perfect. It's gonna bring the tree together. I can't wait to decorate it. I'm super excited. Of course, I got 2 of them for both of the little trees. Also, since all my barbershop is white and black, I did find these little containers for the business cards. They're just perfect. They bring a pop of color. All my walls on my business are black, so I love to add white. It just looks perfect, and the cards fit really, really nicely. This is my business card, by the way. It's just perfect. This is my logo. I don't know if you can see it. And then this is all the information on the back of all the services that I do offer. And then you can scan this right here and it will take you directly to my online booking. I also got tape. I just always need tape at work for whatever reason. I did pick up more of the business card holders just so all the girls can have the same. I love everything to match. My love, I think that's all the little stuff that I got, and wait to the end so you can see how I decorated the shop. I will do a video of how the shop was before and after, so I won't show a lot of the shop just because I want to do that video. And I decided to put this little trees just right here. I put one by itself, and this is what the products look like on my shop. And I didn't realize how many stuff I have from Dollar Tree, so I have to show you. So I have this right here, and I just love what it says. This is thank you for helping me grow, so I just love it. And then another item from Dollar Tree are this little decor. They are glass, so be careful if you find them. I did pick a few of them. I think I have 4 of them. So I have this one, that one down there, have 2 right here, and this one is also an item from Dollar Tree. And then this item is also from Dollar Tree. I believe that was $5, $3 or $5. I can't remember from the top of my head, but this is also an item from Dollar Tree. As well as this wall decorations, they were $5, but I think they look perfect with all my shop decor. And then I just saw lashes. If you guys are interested, these little stands where the lashes are standing on, I did get them at Target for like $5, as well as these wood ones. And then I love this little item. I thought it was from Dollar Tree, but I actually got it at Ross for $3.99. But yeah, and these little items at the bottom, my tia gave them to me, but she did make them with Dollar Tree items. As well, my little stand right here in the middle is a DIY that I saw on TikTok, I believe, or Pinterest. So I did do that with Dollar Tree items. So yeah, my love. And then I do have another of those little flowers here. And then these leaves around my little tables are from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I just placed one little tree. I should have bought more, but it looks really nice right there with all my products. And on this side, this is what my front desk looks like. I did place the other 2 little trees on the sides, and these are the little business card holders from Dollar Tree. They look super pretty. It just brings everything together. And then I took away these little pumpkins, but I want to mention them because they are from Dollar Tree. They are just stunning and perfect for fall time. I had these little pumpkins for Halloween decorations, but this is what they look like. They did have different textures and different colors. These are the ones that I picked up. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Then my love, I have to show you another DIY that I did with Dollar Tree items. Are these little white tables. Everyone thinks I bought them and everyone thinks they were super expensive, but no, it's a DIY as well. I did it by myself, as well as the little flowers. So I do have 2 of them. This one right here and this one right here just came perfectly with my little table. Another Dollar Tree item are this business card holders. I do have this option as well. So they have the marble option, or they have this right here, which I should use it for other business that leave their business cards here. And then there's also DIY. I do have a video of that on TikTok if you're interested. And then this little wall decorations, it says with God all things are possible. It's also from Dollar Tree. And then I also have this beautiful leaves right here. These ones, I was super excited when I found it at Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful it is. It looks super high-end to me. I still don't find a home for them. I don't know what to place here, so I just have my candle. If you guys have anything in mind that I can use for these 2 little leaves, let me know. But yeah, my love, that's my lash wall over there. Okay, my love, and a little update on the Christmas tree. This is what it looks like. It's not completely done, but I wanted to show you guys. I will be placing the second one right there. But how stunning is this little Christmas tree? I'm obsessed. Okay, my love, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and like I said, I will show a whole video of how my barbershop looks like now. I mean, I still have a lot to do in here, but it looks stunning. I always get a bunch of compliments, and I can't wait to share with you guys how my shop is looking, how it was before, how it's now. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next video.